the diamond mine. And let's upgrade our consoles. Like that, we're winning. The multicolor gold mine will generate a 1024 gold coins per second, which will give us more gold to upgrade our consoles to PS5. Just like that, we win. Thank you for watching.